Teacher, hello Raj, have you completed your homework? Student, good morning ma'am. I'm sorry, but I couldn't complete my homework. Teacher, why not Raj? Is there a particular reason? Student, yes ma'am, I had some family responsibilities that took up my time. Teacher, I understand, but it's important to manage your time and complete your homework. It's part of your learning process. Student, yes ma'am, I'll make sure to complete it today. Teacher, good. If you need any help, don't hesitate to ask. Student, thank you ma'am. I appreciate it. Teacher, you are welcome. Make sure to submit it by tomorrow. Student, yes ma'am, I will. Thank you guys.